Hi, my name is Sarah, and this is my machining center, equipped with the Renishaw probing system. The probing system helps us to eliminate manual setup time and reduce skill requirements, reduce non-productive time and increase machining time, reduce costs and increase profits, making the boss happy. Here is an example of a part we produce. Before we introduced the Renishaw probing system, our components were positioned on the machine bed and located using a dial test indicator. However, this is a very time-consuming process due to the weight and dimensions of the part. Often taking several hours. As a result, we wasted both time and money. My boss was not happy. Now we use the Renishaw probing system to locate our parts. Using the same example, the probe is able to accurately locate the material. Enabling the control to automatically compensate for any misalignment. Setup now takes minutes rather than hours. The boss is happy and the company is making more profit. Thanks to our Renishaw probing system.